I'm Chef Candace Connolly, and I'm going to show you how to make an antipasto lettuce salad. Now, antipasto is the course that comes before pasta in an Italian meal. So it's typically vegetables and meats and cheeses and things like that. So that's what we're going to put in our lettuce salad. And what I like to do is use romaine lettuce that's chopped and make it a bed for the rest of the vegetables. So this is kind of a composed salad. So on top of the romaine, we'll have Italian meats, which have been sliced thinly. Then some mozzarella cheese. It's fresh mozzarella, so it's quite soft and creamy. Then we add some Kalamata olives, or if you can't find Kalamatas, black olives will work just fine. And you want fairly large pieces of those. Then we're going to finish it with slices of tomato. And it looks beautiful and fresh and delicious. Then we're going to do a very simple dressing. It's just going to be a white wine vinegar sprinkled over the top with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then you can toss it and it's ready to eat. I hope you enjoy it.